Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix screen recording records black screen on iPhone in iOS 16. Let's see the video. To fix this issue, open up the settings app on your device. Here, click on screen time. On the screen time menu, click on content and privacy restrictions. Now click on content restrictions. Navigate to screen recording and make sure that this option is set to allow. So friends, you can then try to start a screen recording. If the problem is persist, then make sure that you have enough storage to save the recording. To check this, you go to settings, then click on general and then click on iPhone storage. So friends, you can see that I have a 64 GB iPhone and still have 15 GB of free space. You can also check your iPhone space if your iPhone is running out of space. So there might be a problem saving screen recording.